The best ways to get the most from camping. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. One of the most important parts of your camping gear is your tent. The tent you buy should suit your needs and the size of your camping party. If you have young children, you probably want to purchase a large tent so they can sleep in the same tent with you. If your children are old, buy them their own tent so they don't have to bunk with the adults. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are 2 kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. Prior to leaving, take a few minutes to make a checklist of everything that you need. There is nothing worse than getting to a campsite and then finding out that you don't have what you need to be comfortable. A checklist is a great aid as you are packing. Try to start getting things together several days before you leave so you have plenty of time. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.